Okay, this will be a short video on a linking option called Microlift. It's a little bit hard to understand without a video explanation. So basically when we have the rapid moves back, right, so these red lines that go back to do the next pocketing pass, these tend to leave strange marks in the part at times, not always, but sometimes. It's kind of like it grabs chips maybe, or somehow some movement in the fixture or something like that. You can actually see these lines in the rapid back. So what we do is we actually lift up during this rapid back. We kind of bring the Z up along this this exit of the actual cutting on the pocket, and then we stay up at the Microlift height, and then we kind of feed back down in Z so that we're at the right depth while we're cutting, but just during the rapid move we're at the Microlift height. So it's an option right here. I think it defaults to no lift, so that's just how it normally would work. Everything, including the rapid moves, are done at the depth. But if we turn on Microlift, it now lifts for those rapid moves by the Microlift amount. So I'm going to go ahead and make it 10 thou just so that you can see it visually. And yep, so if we do kind of a side view or a front view, you can kind of see the arcs are rapiding up and then rapiding back down, or I should say moving up and moving back down, and then the rapid across is at the higher Z level. So that's pretty much it. That's most of the explanation there. One issue is if you make the Microlift amount too much, and 10 thousandths is probably too much, that's going to be really hard on the Z, and the control may detect that it has to stop somewhere along this taper up and the taper back in. So you'll likely also get motion that's not very smooth. So something like a 1 thou or 2 thou Microlift is probably about right. It's just enough to move the Z up a little bit so you're not dragging it across the part. And the smaller you can get away with here, the easier it's going to be on the machine, and probably take a little bit less time to cut, and just generally will be better. So that's Microlift. Okay, thanks.